Alright drivers, thanks for tuning in again for part 2 of the V6 to V8 conversion. So today we're basically taking everything else out around the motor that's going to come out with it, and then stuff that I'm not going to reuse. So we started on the harness here that comes around. I went ahead and took the air conditioning compressor loose because that's going to stay, of course. I started this harness here that goes into the cab to the ECM. I got to go in there and disconnect those and pull them out because that's going to go with it too. Basically, after that, everything else will be underneath the truck to disconnect the transmission stuff, which I'm going to pull it out with it. So basically we probably get to where we'll be pulling this motor today. Good thing is I already got a thing to tie the engine to right there, so that's good. So yeah, we're almost there, and then after that we'll start probably part 3 of prepping the area to get ready to paint it. So if you made it this far, keep watching more footage and we'll keep on rolling. V6 to V8 conversion. Thanks for tuning in. basically, I think we got everything we need up here. I got the whole harness on that side. I got it over there, as you can see. See, pulling it out from in here. I think everything's about ready to go. I think everything else that is left is underneath the truck. So we're gonna have to climb underneath the truck. So that will be fun. So here we go. Alright, so I forgot about the power steering pump. I gotta get it off, because it's still hard mounted to the truck. So I had to go get this power steering pump remover tool, because GM made it to where you have to take that dadgum pulley off in order to get to the bolts that are captured behind it before you can take it loose. What the hell, General Motors? What were you thinking? So we will start pulling that pulley, and then I should be able to done with everything up top and be able to go down below. So we're going to start taking the pulley loose. so basically everything's done underneath. We got the exhaust loose. Alright, take two. The memory card got full, so I got cut off there at the end. So basically we're ready to pull this motor. I've got everything, I believe, that's disconnected. If not, we'll find out when we start lifting it up. So part 3, we'll start pulling the engine out. Basically part 2 is just taking everything loose. I didn't film everything under here, but you can see I got the exhaust and all that loose up under there, so we should be about ready to pull it out, and then that'll be part 3, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.